KashKick reward delivery speed depends on the redemption method, account status, and the current processing details shown inside the platform. By the end, you'll know what affects KashKick redemption speed, where to check your reward status, and what to do if your reward is taking longer than expected. The first thing to understand is that a completed task and a completed redemption are two different steps. Finishing an activity does not always mean the reward has already reached you. The platform may need to process the activity, confirm eligibility, and update the reward status before the redemption moves forward. Start by checking your KashKick account history. The account dashboard can show whether a reward is still pending, completed, or requires additional action. This status information helps you understand where the delay is happening. The second section is checking the details of your redemption request. Different reward options can have different processing steps, so review the information connected to the specific reward you selected. If your reward appears delayed, confirm that your account information is correct and that you followed the required steps for the activity. A missing requirement can prevent a reward from moving forward. The third section is what to do when support is needed. Before contacting KashKick support, collect the details that explain your issue. Include the reward type, the activity connected to it, and any relevant account information available from your dashboard. A clear support request makes it easier to identify whether the issue is related to verification, processing, or missing information. Avoid submitting multiple requests for the same issue, because duplicate tickets can make communication harder to track. Keep your information organized and follow the response process provided by support. The best way to reduce redemption problems is to check the rules before completing an activity. Read the requirements carefully, confirm that your account details are accurate, and monitor your reward status after requesting a redemption. To summarize, KashKick redemption speed depends on the reward process and account details. Your dashboard is the best place to track progress, and support can help when a reward does not move forward as expected. Your next step is to open your KashKick account, check your redemption status, and review the reward details connected to your request. If this guide helped you understand KashKick redemption speed, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.